You have hair oil, the fiber will stick together like a bad spot that looks no good. So before you apply, you should have your hair clean and dry. 有冇新嘅黑色啊？因為呢啲咧，
黑色喺呢度啊，邊個？
因為咧佢越少嘅時候會跌得越多。好啊 ，Don't move. Give me a second. Yeah, your day. Your day. This is how you should look. How you should look. Then I get some dark brown on top and let your hair looks much natural. This is dark brown. By doing so, your hair looks terribly natural. Then I comb it a little bit, allow the fiber to go into your hair structure, so your hair will keep the fiber firmer.
It's in
charge with electrostatic energy. For how long?
You can keep it as long as you wish, until you wash it. I will buy shampoo. Okay. And then after that, please take a photo.
This is